we can see a variety of use cases that can be driven via dashboards, whether that's around utilization, sites, fault codes, etc. So this time, let's pick something else and go for the idle fleet dashboard. We want to observe the cost of idling fleet. So in essence, when a machine is running, but maybe not creating as much value. So what do we have here? We see a global footprint of our machines and where fuel consumption is high during idle operating hours of a machine. Apparently we have some around the Toronto, Canada area, but then we observe a lot in the UK. So let's double click on that. London, Sheffield, Manchester areas definitely seem to stand out here. What else? We can also see idle hours over time and how it breaks down into respective machinery types. Next to that, we can get an overview of how much fuel was consumed during the idle operations of the machines. Seems to have been quite bad over the course of 2021, where then some interventions seem to have occurred at the beginning of 2022 and 2023 again to drastically reduce it. Okay, nevertheless, what's the associated cost with this? Hey, on the one hand, one could argue that idle operating hours reduce the machinery value, of course. For now, I want to move on with an analysis on fuel costs during the idle periods. As you can see on the top left, very small, there's a fuel price of 1.8 euros per liters that had been set. Hey, you're free to make changes to that at all times and the entire dashboard would update accordingly. But the key analysis seems to be still missing it. In this case, I actually wanted to show you how easy it is to take it forward from here and how easily it is to build or enhance dashboards yourself. To do so, I'm editing this version, scroll into the bottom and then add a new visualization. You can either build it yourself by multiple selections or AI makes it again easy for you. Just type the information that you would like to see in there and a suggestion for a visualization is being created. So, what's the year-over-year total fuel cost? Again, within seconds the chart is created and I can add it to the dashboard. Interesting. In this case, I'm wondering whether the granularity of year over year is sufficient. So let's go for month over month as a line chart instead. Let me quickly type in here exactly what we want for the AI to focus on and create, and then see the visualization that is being created. So super quick here again, you have the visualization that's needed, this time in a different format than before. Amazing. Hey, I don't want to stop here though. I actually want to see how this translates into a forecast going forward. So what I'm adding here is an AI forecast that, as you will see now, is directly creating an out-of-the-box forecast based upon your historical.
When we tackle the idle optimization, a very straightforward but powerful use case, we have seen 10 to 20% idle reduction. That's 250,000 liters of fuel saved every year, worth more than $300,000 US. So in today's economy, with these simple, straightforward, and very impactful use cases, we have already seen tangible business impact across our fleet owners implementing IrisX.